Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about one of the important topic, that is chromatic aberration. Chromatic aberration. The content of today's discussion is aberration, types of aberration, chromatic aberration, image formed in chromatic aberration, causes of chromatic aberration, then methods of removing of chromatic aberration. First of all, for better understanding of aberration, we have to know what is optical aberration. So, first of all, an imperfection in image formation by an optical system is called aberration. This is the example these two figures explains as the aberration phenomenon. An aberrated person can see a horse like this image. Types of aberration. There are two types of aberration. One is chromatic aberration and another is monochromatic aberration. This first one is the example of chromatic aberration and second one is the example of monochromatic aberration. Chromatic aberration. An optical aberration in which image has colored fringes. It is also known as achromatism or chromatic distortion. It is due to different color. Image formed in chromatic aberration. The above picture can perceive a normal patient and the below one is aberrated patient. This is the picture chromatic aberrated person can see like this image. What causes chromatic aberration? It is caused by dispersion of lens, differences in refractive index for different wavelengths of light. It is a failure of lens to focus all colors at the same convergence point. Types of chromatic aberration. There are two types of chromatic aberration. One is longitudinal or axial chromatic aberration and another is transverse or lateral chromatic aberration. Axial chromatic aberration. It is a variation in the length of each wavelength of light. It results in blurred colors in front and behind the focus position due to the differences in each color's focal point. This one explain us about axial chromatic aberration. Transverse chromatic aberration. It is a variation in the magnification with wavelength of light. This figure explains as the lateral or transverse chromatic aberration. Methods of removing of chromatic aberration. It can be controlled or reduced by use of achromatic doublet. This one is the example of achromatic doublet, where crown glass and flint glass together form achromatic doublet. With the help of achromatic prism also. Achromatic prism consists of two prism. One is crown and another is flint. With the help of achromatic lens also we can remove chromatic aberration. Different in types of glass. This one is a achromatic lens. One is convex and another is concave lens. Thank you. If this video is helpful for you, then kindly subscribe our channel and follow our Facebook page. Thank you for today's discussion.